Welcome to our tour of the Citizen M Hotel in Miami. The hotel is close to the Bayside Marketplace area and Brickell. At the reception area, you'll find lots of seating, from comfortable sofas to desks for working on. There are also plenty of spaces where you can charge your laptop or phone around the reception and bar area. The bar is open for most of the day and also has a small snack menu. You can pay for breakfast here as well, which would be buffet style. So we're staying in room 807, which is the standard room. I'll take you through to the main part of the bedroom. So you have a double bed which is up against the wall. That's just fun for the person who's sleeping by the window. And a nice big TV there. And then under the bed, you've got a good size safe. And laptop size as well, which is really good. And then you've got a drawer for storage just there. And that is your main storage in this room. You've got all your light switches just there, and your telephone and lamp. And then this iPad, you can do a lot of different things on it, which I'll show you in a little bit. And then as you come to the desk, I'll go out of the way. And then you've got some obviously US plug sockets there, just at the writing desk. And then you have a sink area in the main bedroom. So you can see there, just underneath is a drinks cooler, which we're currently making use of. And then a hairdryer. And you've got your bins just there. And then some hand soap and body lotion. And then if you come in this way, you have the bathroom. It's a small bathroom, but it's got all you need. So you've got your rainfall shower head, and then the smaller shower head there as well. And then you have shampoo and conditioner just there. So just take you back into the bedroom again. Oh, and you've got some more plugs just by the sink there, which I didn't mention. And some light switches for the vanity area. The only other additional storage there is this. So you've got a little bit of shelving and then some hanging space. And that's pretty much it. We've got a lot of luggage, so I think we're going to be a bit crowded, but at least there's a bit of storage. So as I said, this is the iPad that you can do lots of different things on. And it controls the TV, the lights. As you can see there, you can brighten them, change the colour. And there's blackout blinds as well, which would be quite handy. The curtains, climate. And you can also request for the room to be serviced on this as well. So it controls absolutely everything in your room, which is great. So on the 11th floor, you've got a really nice bar area with views out down to the front. It's shut at the moment because it's the weather's not very nice. But yeah, on a good day, if I just come outside, you can see the stadium there. And yeah, on a really nice day, you'd have some amazing views. And you've got a nice little bit of outdoor seating here as well, which again, on a good day, amazing views. So if you come out from the bar, you've got the pool area, some table seating and some comfy sofas. As I said, it's really not a nice day today, so there's no one up here. It's a bit grim. But you've got some towels there as well that are provided. And we'll try and bring you back up here on a nicer day so you can really see the views. It's a much nicer day today. Still a little bit cloudy, but you can see the views much better. You can see all the way down out to the stadium, part of the cruise port, and out to the Bayside Marketplace. If you're staying at the Citizen M, it's in a great location and it's pretty modern. For our experience, the only disappointment was the storage in the room. We stayed post-cruise, so had a lot of luggage, and there isn't any way to store it. For a couple of nights though, it was fine. The only other thing to note is that the bed is up against the wall and is high up off the floor, so if you're short or struggle with mobility, you may find it difficult getting on and off the bed. Otherwise, we really liked the room and the hotel. The staff were really friendly and helpful. The pool area is great and it's handy having a bar up there too. We would happily stay here again. What do you think of this room and hotel? Is it one that you would choose? Leave us a comment with what you think of it below. If you enjoyed our video or found it useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's completely free to you and it means so much to us. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.